Hey filmmakers, Chungdha here. In this video, we are going to show you how to get the most out of your anamorphic lens on a Sony mirrorless camera. Though Sony mirrorless cameras misses anamorphic features, there are some tricks that I have found that are very useful. Sony mirrorless cameras only film in 16:9 and misses the ability to film in a 4:3 aspect ratio. With a 4:3 aspect ratio, it enables you to get a better coverage when you are filming with a squeeze larger than 1.33 times, so you won't end up with an overly wide video. For example, with my Sony A7R II combined with the A7siii, which got a 1.8 times squeeze, if we just film 16:9 normally, we end up with a 3.23:1 aspect ratio, which is extremely wide and need to crop away the side to get a normal scope aspect ratio. But if we film with a 4:3 aspect ratio using the A7siii, after the de-squeeze we would end up with a 2.35:1 aspect ratio, which is a much more normal cinema scope aspect ratio. One of the features on the Sony mirrorless we can take advantage of is the frame guide, as there is a 4:3 guide. Though we are still filming in a 16:9 video, we only need the 4:3 portion of it, as we crop away the rest in the edit. So instead of framing a full 16:9 video, we focus more on the framing on the 4:3. So with a 4K video of 16:9, which is 3840 by 2160, we actually get a 4:3 section out of it, which is 2800 by 2160, and end up with a 2.8K video. The benefit of this is that we can get a wider field of view when we set up with the correct taking lens. For example, in this video we have quite the heavy vignetting, but it is only on the outside of the 4:3 section. When we de-squeeze it and also crop away the sides, we actually see that we have a really nice video. But when we have an actual full coverage without moving the camera, we actually get a much more tighter shot and actually lose a lot of the image on the top and bottom. So there's actually also some benefit with using the full coverage, as you can reframe your footage in post or do a digital pan in post. Another great feature to make use of is the clear image zoom. When your lens is slightly too wide and vignettes inside of the 4:3 guides, we can actually use the clear image zoom to zoom in a little bit so that the vignette goes outside of the 4:3 guides. Also, most anamorphic lenses don't really focus that well close up, but using the clear image zoom we can actually zoom in for a closer shot instead. A major drawback is still that you cannot de-squeeze the image in camera on a Sony mirrorless camera, which makes it harder to judge the final image or how everything is placed or framed in your shot. So an external monitor is still really recommended when filming with a Sony mirrorless camera with an anamorphic lens. Hope you found these informations quite useful. If you really like it, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section here below. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye!